So traditional way of gender classification and identification of tones. 大几夜瓦党达当达先几南下 The Tibetan consonants are traditionally divided into five gender groups depending on how much effort needs to be put into their pronunciation. That's how the following gender categories are established. So the first po is what we call in Tibetan, and in English it is translated as masculine. So masculine as letters are read ka, ja, ta, pa, za. And then the second lowest, second highest is the neuter, maning in Tibetan. So ka, cha, ta, pa, ca. These are high and these are high but aspirated. And feminine, mo, ka, cha, ta, pa, za, wa, ja, za, a, ya, sha, sa. These are these are strongly aspirated, and these are not as strong as this, but also aspirated but lower tone. And then you have very feminine, shintu mo, ma, nya, na, ma. Nasalized, these are more or less nasalized, ma, nya, na, ma. And then you have subfeminine, in Tibetan we call it mosham, ra, la, ha, a. So these are the lowest tone, supposed to be the lowest tone. So you need to say ra, la, ha, a.